بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to all in online classes of subject English. Today we are going to discuss application and comprehension passage number 1. Dear students, first of all we discuss application for school leaving certificate. A school leaving certificate is used when the student is shifting to another city, country, school, college, etc. If the student needs to take admission to another school, this certificate acts as a proof that the holder has completed a particular level of study. Now we discuss how to write application. The principal, the educators, Sir Syed Campus, Dipalpur, full stop, respected sir, and again, These all are written from the very beginning of the line. And as it is, yours obediently, X, full stop, Y, full stop, and Z. Right from the very beginning of the line, and at the end we have to mention the date. Let's read out the application. Most respectfully, I state that my father has been transferred to Lahore. बहुत ही अदब व एहतराम के साथ मैं ये बयान करता हूँ कि मेरे वालिद का तबादला लाहौर हो गया है. We are all leaving this place in a couple of days. हम सब ये जगह कुछ ही दिनों में छोड़ रहे हैं. I therefore request you to be kind enough to issue me the school transfer certificate. इसीलिए आपसे मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि आप मेहरबानी फरमाकर मुझे स्कूल ट्रांसफ़र सर्टिफिकेट दे दें. I have paid all my school dues. मैंने अपने स्कूल के तमाम वाजिबात अदा कर दिए हैं. I shall be thankful to you for this favor. इस एहसान पर मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा. Yours obediently, आपका फरमाबरदार XYZ. And after it we have to mention the date of the